And y'all can say it's childish, stupid, and ridiculous, but I hate ugly feet. And that's definitely a hiccup in the conversation. I promise you it is. There's nothing like wasting your time, wasting your hard-earned money, whether you worked for it or you stole it, on somebody, and y'all get into a time frame, whether it's on their scale, a month, 2 months, 3 months, hell, even 6 months, and y'all finally get a chance to have watch a movie at her place, eat popcorn, and she take her socks off and sit down there, and she got ugly feet. I be down. All of this was worth nothing. I'm so simple-minded and childish and stupid and ignorant that I will blow the whole thing on ugly feet. It's a hiccup, though. It's a real one. Just being honest about it. Ugly feet is a turnoff. Ugly feet is a big deal, and it's definitely a cancellation move. So if you got ugly feet, it's pretty much over. That's as much respect I can say to you and have for you. Love you.